Hi guys, so it's my last day in Guangzhou. I'm just going down to get a Starbucks. I put lashes on last night and I couldn't take them off because they were like stuck to my eyes this morning. So I'll attempt to take them off later. I'm so happy to be leaving Guangzhou. Like, I like getting stuff here, but I just feel, I don't know, like you've no one to talk to. Nobody speaks English, obviously, because it's China. And the other day I lost my phone here in a taxi. I've never lost a thing in my life, nothing. Oh my god, I look like really scary. So yeah, the other reason I'm really happy to be leaving is last night, or 2 nights ago, I was in a taxi coming home. I got lost. Disaster. And when I was in the taxi coming back, the taxi man proceeded to kiss me on the cheek. And I don't know whether my phone fell out of my bag or what happened, because I kind of got a bit startled. I was like, okay, it's a bit weird. So my phone fell out of my bag, or something happened to my phone, but my phone is gone. So I'm really annoyed because I just, you know, I love my phone. I only got it in November, so I'm really annoyed. And it's an iPhone 8 Plus, like it's brand new and it was pink. I'm just really sad about it, like, and I still have to pay the bill for it as well because it's under like a contract. So I have the contract for 18 months, so I still have to pay the bill for it. I'm really annoyed at myself. I just feel kind of sad because I lost my phone, but he startled me, and I'm not blaming the taxi guy, but I mean, it's really inappropriate to try and kiss your client that's in your taxi. And I know he got excited because we're lost and eventually found my hotel, but I was just like, this is just really weird. I don't know. So my phone either fell out of my bag or something happened to my phone, and it's turned off, and I disabled everything on it because I was worried about my YouTube. Now, YouTube's not accessible here in China, but there are certain apps you can use to kind of get onto YouTube, and I was obviously really worried because that's my job, and if someone felt like deleting all my videos, I'm sure they could do that. So I disactivated all my like apps on it from my iPad. Thank God I brought my iPad with me, because trying to explain that to my mum at home, I know my sister Ollie, she'd be able to do it, but trying to explain that to my parents at home, first of all, how do I get in contact with them without getting another phone? You know, it's just a bit of a disaster. So I'm going to get some coffee. I can't wait to leave Guangzhou because I'm just over it now and I'm just fed up. The people are fine here and stuff like that, but they stare a lot. Like, I've spoke about that before, which is okay, it's fair enough. Like, I'm a Westerner over here, but they just kind of like randomly laugh at you. Like, if you're looking for, like, I'd go into like somewhere to eat and I'm looking for a menu and they just start laughing, menu, ha ha ha, and I'm like, yeah, I just want to eat. Look, that's just besides, I'm uncultured, clearly, and I'm just having a bad time here. So next stop is Yiwu, staying there for a night and then going to Beijing, which I can't wait to go to Beijing because we're going to do the Great Wall. I want to end on a happier, more pleasant note. And I feel really moany giving out about it because I'm just, it's a different culture. It's not their fault, it's my fault. I'm not into the culture of Chinese culture. They're just so friendly in Vietnam, and I just think it was a bit of a shock to go from Vietnam where they were so friendly. Even with no English, they were still friendly and they helped you with any way, whereas here, like, people like bang into you and nobody cares, you know, they'll skip you in the queue as well, like, and it's just this kind of crap. So yeah, anyway, I don't want to moan anymore. So the plan is to leave here, then go to Yiwu, and then on to Beijing, do the Great Wall. And if Beijing is not amazing, then we're gonna go to some other country, or maybe like head out towards the coast of China or something, just to get some nice weather. I haven't had any nice weather and stuff since I got here either, so I don't know what the plan is as of yet. I'm supposed to return on the 3rd of May, which I don't know if that's gonna happen now. We'll see. I got paid this week as well, so I'm kind of like buzzing. I'm like, yeah, I got paid, great. Now I can go get myself a new phone and, you know, all this stuff. And it's just kind of a hindrance. Phones out here, like the iPhone 7 Plus second hand is €400, the equivalent of €400. So it's not like really inexpensive. It's made in Hong Kong, the phone, or it's a Hong Kong iPhone. So it's like, will work with my SIM in Ireland and stuff, because I did ask them that. But yeah, I don't know. Anyway, that's all excitement that's going on with me at the moment. Also, I think when we get to Beijing, I want to see, can I get like a bicycle or something like that, because I'm dying to go cycling and stuff, because it's just how everybody kind of gets around. I'm trying to think of the other things I've kind of noticed in China. The other thing I've noticed is like women don't drive out here that much. I think that's kind of a random thing. Just every single car that goes by, I always look to see who the driver is. I don't know, I'm kind of strange like that. And none of them are women, they're always men. Also, if you're looking for something in a pharmacy, try and take a screenshot of an item that you're looking for, like headache tablets or something, because trying to explain it is really difficult. And I've had to look for other medication, and it was really difficult to try and explain it to them over here. So just try and like get a picture if you are going to China, especially if you're going somewhere that has very little English. I'd say Beijing will be fine, but Guangzhou definitely, they don't have much English at all, naturally, because we're in China. But just for your own self, if you are going to China, try and bring as much medication as you possibly can that you think you might need, like small things like headache tablets, lozenges, things that you might need like on the regular at home. Like for me, painkillers are a big thing. Like I need painkillers because of my headaches and stuff. Anything you think that you might need and you just think it's going to be difficult to try and explain, I recommend bringing it with you, or getting a picture of it in Ireland and maybe try and translate it in Chinese. I mean, that's how difficult it has been. And they don't obviously read English, so even if you have the name of it in Chinese, they won't be able to read it. Just like we can't read Chinese, well, I can't read Chinese, and sometimes I'd ask somebody for something and they'd write it down in Chinese. I'm like, I can't read Chinese. Anyway, I'm at Starbucks now. Talk to you guys later. I hope I'll be in much better form, because I'll have gotten a phone and stuff, and I'll just be a little bit happier. Losing your phone is such a bummer. Like, some people might think I'm really over exaggerating, but it's so sad. Like, it's just really upsetting, especially since I paid for my phone out of my own money and I worked hard for it, and I have a bill coming out every month and stuff now. It's just really disheartening, and it's my own fault. I got disgruntled. I've never lost a single thing in my entire life. Nothing I've ever lost, nothing. And it just kind of bugs me that I lost my phone in China. And my mum was panicking as well. She was like, will I go down to your provider? Will I get it cancelled? Will I ring Apple? I was like, no. I can literally cancel everything off my phone from my iPad, which is kind of good. I love the girls and the guys in my local Starbucks. They are so adorable, because they know me like for going in and out like for the last few days, because I'm in there maybe twice a day. They're just so cute, and look, I love the way they like package everything up for you when you're bringing it out. But they're just so adorable. She's like, have a good day, and oh, they're just, they put you in really good form. So it makes me feel bad about moaning about everything about China, because there are some amazing things about it. Now I'm gonna go back to the hotel. I'm gonna get pancakes, pack up, and then I'm getting a 7-hour train to Yiwu. Like I said, staying there for a night, and then I'm getting a 7-hour train in 2 days to Beijing. So that is the plan of action. The reason why we're going to Yiwu first is because there's like work stuff to do there. Got really cool brochures and stuff yesterday as well for work. There's been some really exciting things happening as well when I've been here, and yeah, no, it has been an experience. It's just different culture, and it's kind of hard to get your head wrapped around it. Probably won't be talking much to you for the rest of the day, because I'm just going to be on a bullet train. It's going to be extremely boring for you. It's 7.5 hours on the bullet train. Could have got an airplane, but airplanes are really expensive internally, and also you need to have, I think like they'll charge you like a bomb for every kg you're overweight, and God knows what I am overweight, because every single time I step foot out of the house, oh my god, a woman just spat up my feet. This is what I'm talking about. I hate the spitting. Ugh. Anyway, every time I step foot out of the house, I end up spending more money and buying more clothes. So I need to stop that. Right, I'll talk to you guys later on. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee now and get pancakes. That's my hotel there. I love it. It's actually a really nice hotel. And just 2 doors down, has the best pancakes and the best spring rolls in the whole of Guangzhou. And if it wasn't for this place, I probably would have been starving, because I'm not picky with my food, but they just do really good food, really affordable, and this is it here. I don't even know how you pronounce it, but that's the place. I love it so much.